This is the book of Matthew, chapter 24, verse 6 to verse 8, and from BibleGateway.com, and it reads, "And ye shall hear of wars and rumors of wars. See that ye be not troubled, for all these things must come to pass, but the end is not yet." Matthew 24, verse 7, "For nation shall rise against nation, and kingdom against kingdom. And there shall be famines and pestilence and earthquakes in diverse places, and all these are the beginning of sorrows." Shalom. First and foremost, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'Shem, Yahweh Shai Ba'Shem, or Karkadash. Shalom to the elders for preaching the word truthfully and sincerely. And shalom to the Akim, scattered through the four corners of the globe, preaching the word truthfully and sincerely as well too. And I say shalom to the Akim out there. And this is a sit-down lesson that I want to bring out, and the title of the lesson is Matthew 24, verse 6 to verse 8, right? Because we're going to hear a lot of increasing of these wars and rumors of wars, especially we're seeing what's going on with the Russia-Ukraine situation that's heating up. We're seeing what's going on in the Indo-Pacific region. We're seeing what's going on with the South China Sea and the Taiwan Strait. Tensions between Beijing and Washington, China versus the United States over Taiwan, that situation, the Israel-Palestine conflict. So those are signs of increasing of the wars and rumors of wars, and the nation shall rise against nation. Because we're going to see one nation of armies going against another nation of powerhouse armies. And that's what we are seeing. Iran versus Israel at an all-time high. Those tensions are at an all-time high. Russia-Ukraine situation, that's at an all-time high. So those are prime examples of signs we're seeing of the tensions are stirring up between the different nations and the different kingdoms. And that's getting to the nations rising up against another nation. And all these are the beginning of sorrow. So all these categories that I just mentioned, these just are increasing of beginning of sorrows, which is going to increase and show forth now so more than ever in the times that we are currently in, as the days progresses on, as we're moving forward of these prophecies that's about to be fulfilled. Prophecies that's about to be fulfilled and is about to come to pass. And we're going to continue to see an increase and so forth with these major signs, global events, major events, biblical signs going to increase. And these prophecies that's about to be fulfilled as well too. And we're going to see it increase now some more than ever, So with that, this was just a quick sit-down lesson I wanted to bring out. Of the title of the lesson was Matthew 24, verse 6 to verse 8. So with that, hopefully this lesson was edifying. I would like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'Shem, Yahweh Shai Ba'Shem, Karkadash. Shalom to the elders for preaching the word truthfully and sincerely. And shalom to the Akim, scattered through the four corners of the globe, preaching the word truthfully and sincerely as well too. And until next time, I will say shalom.